Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification.
Hello children, last class we are explaining about some measurements, okay, and I will explain more example for that, and also I gave some these examples about the centimeter to millimeters and kg to gram, liter to milliliter, like this I given. These should be you write in your fair. Next, now in this class we will solve the verbal problems you already learnt in previous class, means in 5th standard you already learnt. This is little bit advanced for that. So these are verbal problems. So if I take one first example, population of Chamarajnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. So in the year 2001 it was found to be increased by 72,958. What was the population of the city in 2001? Just try to understand this question whole. If you don't understand the question, you will not able to solve the problem. So repeat 1 to 3 times. Okay. So population of Chamarajnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. And in the year 2001, it was found to be increased. Increase means more by 72,958. What was the population of the city in 2001? Okay, the solution is, how can you solve this? Population of the city in 1991. Population of the city in 1991, 2,35,471. Increased by 72,958 in 2001. Okay. So now we have to add this. In the year 1991, the population is like this. It is increased by 72,958 in 2001. We have to add. So 1 plus 8, 9, 7 plus 5, 12 carry 1, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1 plus carry 1, 14, again carry 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 7 plus 3, 10 carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Means population of the city in 2001 was 3,08,429. Okay, just see this video 2 to 3 times, then you will understood clearly. Okay, so next, now I will, it is addition. Now I will go to next one more problem. Okay, so in second example, Suresh is a famous cricket player. Suresh is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. Suresh is a famous cricket player and he scored 6,980 runs in test matches. Already he scored. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. He want to complete 10,000 runs. Now he already scored 6,980. How many more runs does he need? How many runs he complete? If he complete, then his score is 10,000. Is it clear? So Suresh is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in the test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. He already scored 6,980. So how many more runs does he need? The solution of this problem is runs Suresh wants to score. Suresh wants to score how many runs? 10,000. Runs scored so far. He already scored how many runs? 6,980. So if we minus 10,000 minus 6,980, we got the answer. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we will take 10, borrow 10 plus 10 minus 8, 2. So here 10 again 10 give 1, borrow for that, remains 9. 9 minus 9, 0 again. So here we already taken 1 borrow, so 10 in 10 we give to return 10 borrow. So it is here 9 minus 6, 3, and he already gone. So the remaining number is 3020. Means Suresh required runs. Suresh required more runs. How many runs? 3020 runs. Means if he scored 3020 runs, he reached the 10,000. Okay, it is the second example. Now we go to third example. In third example, a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws. One factory is there. In that factory, one machine every day on an average manufactures 2,825 screws per day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Every day the machine will produce 2,825 screws. Okay, screws means we are using for fitting the wood or doors or windows, to fit the other things, metal also. So these are called screws. It is just like a nail. So the solution is screws produced in one day. How many screws are produced by that machine per day? 2,825. Days in January. How many days are there in January? 31. Okay, it is produced the screws per day for one day. How many days are in January? 31. So we have to multiply it. Screws produced in 31 days is equal to 2,825 into 31. We have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, 2,825 into 31. First we have to, you already learnt in previous classes to how to multiply 2-digit numbers. So first we will take only 1. 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 8 is 8, 1 2 is 2. The 1 is over. Next go to tens place, that is 3. 3 5 is 15. Before going to multiply this, you have to leave here one space. 3 5 is 15, carry 1. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. 3 8 is 24, 2 carry. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8. So now we have to add these two lines. 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 5 7, 8 plus 7 15, carry 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, and 8 as. So therefore screws produced during January 2006 is 87,575. Okay, so okay, we'll go to next example. Okay children, the next example is to stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So you have to solve this one. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter and 15 centimeter. Each shirt 2 meters 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter total cloth is 40 meter cloth is there. In this cloth, 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will be remains? The question is clear? Okay. See here, first you have to write cloth required for one shirt. How much cloth required for to stitch one shirt? 215 centimeter. So don't be confused here. This 2 meter 15 centimeter is I converted as a centimeters. In last class we already discussed meter to centimeter. Okay, so 2 meter 15 centimeter is nothing but 215 centimeters. So total cloth required. Total cloth we had. How much cloth we had? 4,000 centimeter, that is 40 meter. So now the question is, how many shirts prepare for in this for 4,000 centimeters and how much will be remains? Okay, so this should be divided. 4,000 divided by 215. 4,000 it is total length of the cloth and 215 is to stitch a shirt. Each shirt need 215 centimeter. So 215 ones are 215. 10 minus 5, 5. Borrow 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Next again borrow. See here, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 185 remains. Next brought down this 0 here. This becomes 1850. Now 215 8s are 1720. So 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 7, 1. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. See here, number of shirts can be stitched in 4 meter, that is 4,000 centimeter is 18 shirt. 18 shirts we should, or we are preparing from the 4 meter cloth. Number of shirts 18 shirt we can prepare. And how much cloth will be remain? Cloth will remains 130 centimeter, that is 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remains. Clear? So next you have to solve the exercise number 1.2. See here, exercise 1.2 in page number 16. In page number 16, exercise number 1.2, you have to solve all 12 problems. How many problems are there? 12 problems are there. Solve in your class workbook, not in fair. Okay, bye.